Hello everyone, we welcome you back to our channel. This hairstyle is the talk in town, and this Ankbit E700 active noise cancelling headphone was given to Imisi as her Christmas gift. Sit tight everyone because this video is loaded. Recently, I stopped washing my daughter's hair the same day I make her hair. So what I do now is to wash it a day before we make our hair. I feel it's so cool. High five for mommy. Yeah. That gives her the time to just allow her hair to rest. And then when I'm about to make her hair, I kind of like sprinkle it with water to moisture it. And then I apply my homemade hair butter. If you want to know how to make that homemade butter, the link will be on the description of this video. We're making a very simple hairstyle. I'm just braiding her hair, her natural hair. And also, she voiced out to me that her hair hurts whenever I'm making her hair. So I'm trying as much as possible to make her not feel hurt at all whenever I'm making her hair. And I appreciate the fact that she communicated that to me. So we should learn to respect our kids' opinion. So I'm trying as much as possible to make her, comfortable while we are making our hair. So because that would kind of like build her trust in me, and she'll want to make her hair whenever I say, hey, it's time to make your hair. So I'm doing this hairstyle and I'm brushing it out gently, although I kind of like space this up a little bit. But if you watch the raw video, it was very, very gentle and delicate. I took my time to just make her hair. Kids are amazing. I just wanted to appreciate the fact that making hair shouldn't be stressful. This took me about 1 to 2 hours. We didn't make it at a stretch. We were coming back at it. So I allowed her to take some food, go for a stretch, watch something, do something else, and then we completed. The initial plan for this hair was to make a crochet. Once I'm done braiding her hair, I was supposed to like tuck in crochet, but when I found out that the hair was looking so beautiful after I completed it, I just felt like, let's just keep this. Let's keep this because this just brought out her natural beauty. It is just natural, nothing else. So I just loved it. I loved what I saw. I was so happy with it. I'm like, I'm not going to attach anything on this. Let's just keep this for now. Because her hair is natural and thick and kind of like frizzy, every time I section that hair, I sprinkle water on it just to allow me to section it and get this sleek and smooth section I wanted to see. I also applied a lot of jam, not so much, but I just wanted it to stay gelled and help me control her hair. And while braiding her hair, I did not tighten my hand at all because I'm making it for a kid. I don't want her to feel any hurt. Like I told you earlier, she complained to me that whenever I make her hair, she feels hurt. So I don't want to hurt her anymore. I want her to trust me while making her hair. And while I'm making her hair, I'm asking her, hey, do you feel hurt? I'm like, okay, mommy, it's okay. This doesn't hurt me. I'm like, okay, I think I'm doing it right. So it took me a while to get the whole hair done. But I feel satisfied because I know she's liking it and she's not feeling hurtful. The sectioning I did here was this round sectioning just to help me with the calculation. So everything comes straight and equal. We all do things differently, so you can decide to section it in a different way. There is no one particular way of doing things, but this is how I do my thing. This is how I love to get this done. Just get the sectioning clean and smooth and sleek, and apply jam and make sure it is gel. So you can go ahead and do it the way you feel comfortable. What matters is getting what you want from what you're doing. I kept going over the section, braiding, combing it out, making sure everything is equal with the one I did previously. I never thought Imisi's hair could come out this nice. I was initially thinking her hair was short, but when I started braiding it and I saw that it was actually coming out well, I'm like, okay, let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. going, and it was awesome. Honestly, everyone, we're almost done, and I appreciate the fact that my daughter was so patient to get this hair done. She was so patient. Look at this, everyone. This looks awesome. This looks all well sectioned out. And while I was done, I decided to pick the back braids up. I wanted it to look all picked up, so I took my time to arrange the back up into a ponytail, gradually picking up each of those braids in a way that would make the back look so nice. And I secured it with a matching hairband, which makes it look so beautiful. And to complement the front, I added a matching bow. Honestly, everyone, look at Imisi. Isn't she so beautiful? She's looking so beautiful on this hairstyle. This is Ankbit wireless noise cancelling stereo headphones. Active noise cancelling. Yeah. So this is a gift to Missy. This is Missy's gift. My baby. It's my baby girl's gift. It's Missy's Christmas gift. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what is inside.
Let's open it.
Exactly. Let's open it. Wow, look at this. Oh, look at that. It's so what? Whoa. You wanna open it? Drop this and open it. Here, open it. I think it has a zip. Are you able to open it?
Surprise!
Surprise!
I got it, mommy.
Nice. Okay, so you've got it's got. Open it. You wanna open that? Let's see what is inside. It's got a manual. Open it. Look at that. This earphone is so amazing. It comes with a lot of features. You can use it to listen to music or stay away from noise in your environment. You can also use it to receive phone call. That's a Bluetooth. Yeah. Bluetooth, volume increase, volume decrease. And you can also pair it with your phone.
That's phone call.
You can use it to receive phone call. Hello? Hi. I'm doing okay. How are you? You can use it to receive phone call like I just did. I don't have to be holding my phone to receive phone call. All I did was to pair my phone with my headphone through the Bluetooth, and that's it. I could receive call with the headphone. Awesome headphone, amazing headphone. Right now there is 30% off this blue color and the black color, and the discount code for that is Momandprettyimisi. There is 25% off the colorful headphone, and also the discount code is Momandprettyimisi. So why not go ahead and get something like this for yourself or for your loved one this Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.